LG and Samsung are two of the most trusted brands in the washing machine market, possibly the undisputed leaders. Both companies continue to push boundaries to deliver washing machines that combine excellent cleaning performance with innovative technology. But as each brand excels in different ways, it can be tricky to make your pick. So this in-depth comparison will evaluate LG and Samsung washing machines across key factors: design, washing performance, energy efficiency, smart features, noise levels, durability, value for money. We will cover everything. We'll go beyond marketing jargon to offer expert insights, helping you determine which brand best meets your needs. Just use our links because they'll take you to the latest discounts. Let's go now! Design and build quality. Okay, LG washing machines are focused on functionality. You get this minimalist aesthetic with them. That means clean lines, easy-to-read LED panels, sturdy control knobs. Internally, LG uses stainless steel drums to resist the wear and tear. Samsung takes a bold, futuristic stance in design. We're looking at eye-catching curved designs, stylish chrome accents, high-contrast digital displays. Samsung also tends to incorporate touch-sensitive control panels that lend a high-tech feel to their products. While some users may find these interfaces slightly less intuitive than LG's tactile knobs and buttons, they convey a more modern aesthetic without a hint of doubt. Samsung also prioritizes interior build quality with stainless steel drums. But their focus on design is more apparent in elements like larger-than-average doors for loading. So which is better? Well, LG has timeless designs. These just blend seamlessly into any home. Samsung leans toward making a visual statement with trend-forward aesthetics. For long-term durability, LG might hold more appeal. But if you're drawn to tech-savvy stuff, Samsung pulls ahead, you guys! Washing performance. LG machines will give you exceptional results in this department every single time. It's all thanks to the 6-motion direct drive tech. This feature uses 6 distinct motions: scrubbing, rolling, stepping, tumbling, and more to provide a customized wash experience for different fabric types. It can handle delicate garments like silk without damage and still manage heavily soiled fabrics effectively. Another innovation is Turbo Wash, which significantly reduces cycle times without sacrificing cleaning power. Turbo Wash combines jet sprays and powerful drum movements to cut runtime by up to 30 minutes while maintaining spotless results. LG also has specialized cycles: allergy care or baby steam care. These use steam to eliminate allergens and sanitize clothing. Samsung takes a slightly different approach to washing performance with Eco Bubble technology. By mixing air, water, and detergent before the cycle begins, Eco Bubble creates bubbles that penetrate fabric fibers more effectively than traditional washing methods. This allows Samsung machines to clean at lower temperatures, saving energy while protecting clothes. Samsung's Quick Drive technology reduces cycle times by up to 50% by using dual drum rotating motions to enhance washing efficiency. A standout feature in Samsung's lineup is Add Wash, a small secondary door that lets you add forgotten clothes mid-cycle without stopping the machine entirely. This convenience is what sets Samsung apart. The bottom line: LG's focus on fabric care with deep cleaning versatility will appeal to folks who frequently wash varied loads, or if you have special laundry needs like allergy management. On the other hand, Samsung's innovative Eco Bubble technology and Add Wash feature are top tier if you value energy efficiency. Ultimately, LG inches ahead for those who want sheer cleaning power, while Samsung wins for practicality. Energy efficiency. We have to talk about energy efficiency at least a little bit right now. After all, it's not just the environmental impact, but also those rising utility bills. Both LG and Samsung are solid here, but different. LG machines incorporate direct drive motor technology. It eliminates the friction, meaning energy loss caused by the belts and the pulleys found in traditional motors. This not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces wear and tear. LG washers are frequently rated among the highest tier for energy efficiency globally. Many models feature eco-hybrid technology, which allows users to select between energy saver modes or faster drying cycles. For those concerned about water usage, LG provides precise load sensing mechanisms that adjust water levels automatically to avoid waste. Samsung is equally dedicated to reducing energy consumption, with its digital inverter motors leading the charge. These motors use advanced magnets to achieve higher efficiency, quieter operation too. Samsung also has EcoBubble for energy savings because the machine can deliver the same results at cooler temperatures. Also, Samsung washing machines often include advanced eco cycles that are optimized to use minimal resources even for full capacity loads. When all is said and done, both brands deliver top-tier efficiency, but LG takes the lead with its direct drive motor and eco-friendly technologies that ensure maximum energy conservation without sacrificing performance. However, Samsung presents an excellent energy-saving option for those who want superior cold water cleaning, giving it an edge for some users. Smart features. Modern washing machines are smarter than ever, and both LG and Samsung have fully embraced connected technology. LG has equipped most of its washers with ThinQ technology, enabling users to control, monitor, and troubleshoot washing machines through a smartphone app. ThinQ is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your washer with nothing more than your voice. LG's Smart Diagnostic can also detect potential mechanical issues, and we like it a lot. Samsung, on the other hand, integrates its washing machines into the SmartThings ecosystem. The SmartThings app offers a robust set of features, such as remotely starting cycles, monitoring progress, energy usage reports, all the good stuff. Samsung's unique AI-powered wash cycles learn your usage habits over time and then recommend settings based on the types of loads you frequently wash. Also, Samsung machines let you time cycles in advance, down to the minute. So overall, while LG's ThinQ technology is highly reliable, Samsung's innovative AI system offers an extra layer of intuitiveness for the tech-savvy buyer. Noise levels. A noisy washer can and will disrupt your household. So let's talk more about that. LG has a clear advantage here, thanks to its direct drive motor and anti-vibration designs. These elements work together to reduce noise and vibrations significantly, even at high spin speeds. Many LG models are marketed as ultra-quiet, making them great for homes where the laundry area is close to living spaces or bedrooms. Samsung machines also aim to minimize noise with their Vibration Reduction Technology Plus, VRT Plus, which uses specialized drum balancing systems to stabilize the washer during cycles. This method is effective, but some users report that Samsung machines are slightly noisier compared to LG models in high-speed spin cycles. If noise reduction is a top priority, LG takes the crown with its quieter operation. Samsung comes close but doesn't quite match LG's performance in this area, guys. Durability. We now want to talk about durability. No one wants to replace their appliance prematurely. Both LG and Samsung have a strong reputation for producing long-lasting machines, but there are notable differences. LG models are built with durability in mind, and this is evident in their use of direct drive motors. These feature fewer moving parts and are also less prone to mechanical issues. Many LG models come with a 10-year motor warranty. But you should also know that some users have reported occasional issues with Samsung control panel responsiveness. LG beats Samsung when it comes to overall reliability. We believe that would be the bottom line in this sector. And a lot of it has to do with those simpler mechanical designs. Samsung machines are also durable, don't get us wrong. But LG's track record for long-term performance has to secure a slight advantage here. Value for money. LG machines have exceptional features for their listed price tags. They lack some of Samsung's more cutting-edge features like AdWash, but they make up for it with consistent reliability. LG washers are a long-term return, a dependable machine. Samsung caters to those who want innovation that is functional, and this futuristic design with smart features has excellent value in its own right. You're getting your money's worth with both companies, you just need to know what you want. Verdict time. Let's just draw the line if that's okay with you fine people. LG is the practical choice. Go with LG if you want that long-term durability. You know, a quiet machine that's built to last a while. On the other side, Samsung is innovation. You get this stylish design here, and it comes wrapped in a smart ecosystem. All the tech-savvy consumers love it, and in many ways, it's future-proof, a sign of new standards the industry will catch up with in years to come. We hope this was helpful, and if it was, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe and keep it valid.